Hey guys, today I'll be doing a quick review and also showing you this brand new tempered glass, this beautiful tempered glass computer desk that I just purchased recently, and I just pretty much finished putting it together. The company that makes this is called Real Space, and this is from their Meza collection. Let me walk over here and show you guys. Here's the manual. This is the Meza collection, like I said, from Real Space. I did purchase this at a local Office Depot store. They do come in two colors. Of course, I got the black one with the tempered glass, which is absolutely gorgeous. But there's also, I believe, a cherry wood finish. I believe that's the other color, but don't hold me to it. But I just want to do a quick review. I just pretty much finished putting this together. It took me, I'd say about an hour to an hour and a half. I kind of took my time. I wanted to make sure that, everything is put together properly and such, and everything fits, which thank God it does. I would be very careful putting this together so, everything fits good and stuff, so it looks, beautiful and professional. I do have one advice. About when you're installing the desk. Of course, it starts from the bottom up, and then you flip it upside down to install the tempered glass, and also these two top pieces. There's one here in this corner, and then there's also another one here in this corner. My recommendation, honestly, and the instruction manual, it tells you that to install this wood piece here and the other one on the other side of the opposite side first, and then install the tempered glass. What works out much better is that you leave these out, you install the tempered glass, and then you screw in these wooden panels or wooden corner pieces, if you want to call them. That worked out much better, because if you install this first, you'll have about a 1-inch gap for the glass, and then the tempered glass does not sit properly. So you definitely don't want to do that. It came with a couple of stickers saying that this one right here, as you see, trying to zoom in, it says caution, maximum weight limit is no more than 75 pounds. Here's another warning sticker here, which I will be removing. I'll be removing this white one, but I will leave the yellow one just in case. And then here's now you do install pretty much the entire desk with an Allen wrench, and then these also has cable management. If you guys can see these here, these go underneath the desk, and for cable management you get 4 of these, 2 for each side. Excuse me. What's nice about it is that also has more cable management holes. It has a couple of these holes here on each side, which is awesome, since I have two computers and 2 huge monitors. This is a nice wooden connector piece, I want to call it, between the two sides. Other than that, it seems to be a well put together desk. It seems pretty sturdy, to be honest. It's very nice. It's very beautiful. And now you're probably wondering what actually holds the tempered glass. It's actually 6 suction cups. It's 1 on each. It's actually 3 on each side. Okay. And then when you are installing, if you happen to buy one of these, or if you are looking for a tempered glass computer desk, which is of course this is an L-shaped, as you can see, I highly recommend this, to be honest, because right now my setup is not exactly a computer desk. It's more like a folding white desk that can probably handle a bit more than 75 pounds. You gotta excuse the mess, but it's not exactly a computer desk. It was just something on the fly, since I just moved in recently, so I had to do a major upgrade, So this is gonna be it, since I have a 22-inch monitor and a 20-inch monitor, and a laser printer and whatnot. So this would be a great choice. You do have a sliding keyboard panel, which I might not use. I don't know how I feel about that, but it came with the unit anyways. It is chrome on the bottom. I'm gonna show you something real quick. See if you guys can see this. Yep. You gotta excuse the mess, since this desk is not exactly in its location, but it's near it. I just have to shut down everything and remove it and place it on top. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, or if you have any comments, please let me know down below in the video, in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I wish you guys the best, and If you like this video for this quick review for this tempered glass L-shaped desk made by Real Space, which is the Meza collection, I would appreciate that. Just hit the like button, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.